So why do you want to be a fashion designer? Is it because you think you're good?
Hindi naman po sa ganon.
I don't care. I don't need a good designer. I want a great designer. So why do you think I should hire you? Or should I hire you?
Hindi po ako great designer. Baka hindi nga rin po ako good. Pero matagal ko na po kasing pangarap to eh. Hindi po ako nakapag-aral ng fashion design. Pero gusto ko pong subukan to kasi isa po to sa nagpapasaya sa akin.
Should I hire you or not?
I hope so. I wish.
Am I your fairy godmother para mag-wish ka sa akin?
Hindi, para kang si evil stepmother.
Did you say something? Or have you already pulled some strings so that your wish can be granted?
Ano pong ibig sabihin?
Never mind. You know, I've worked very hard to get to where I am now. Wala akong ginamit na koneksyon para maging Charina Santiago ako. It was pure talent and dedication that brought me to where I am now. I don't know you. And I don't think I want to hire you.
Salamat na lang po kung sa ganun.
But I have to. And so I'm willing to give you a chance.
Tinatanggap niyo po ako?
Do I have to keep repeating myself? Yes. You can start right away.
Thank you po talaga, Miss Charina. Thank you po talaga.
No, please don't invade my space. And I don't want drama.
Ay, sorry po, masayang-masaya lang po kasi talaga eh. Dahil matagal ko na po kayong iniidolo. Kaya nga po nung pina-makeover po ako sa inyo ni Sir Jaime, para na rin pong dream come true.
Let me warn you, mitikulosa ako. And I have a very high regard for excellence. And if you can't give me that, then you won't have any place in the world of fashion.
Gagawin ko po ang best ko, Miss Charina.
We'll see.
Pagpuputihin ko po ang pagde-design. Hindi ko po sasayangin yung chance na binigay niyo sa akin.
We'll see about that.